So what you want to do is just work it in like you're washing your hair. Once you do that, Grand Strand Hair Paste, evenly distributed. Then you just kind of hit it and fluff it a little bit like this. And about that for a transformation from flat hair to I get back from the surf. I need to get my hair cut. Typically when my hair is this long, I'll just have my t-shirt on, but I kind of want to be a little dressed up for the video because it kind of makes your hair stick out a little bit more than I like. So this is Grand Strand Hair Paste by Absolutely Beachy. Hope you liked the video. Kind of give you an idea how to use it. Oh yeah, you have to wash your hair twice at night because the coconut oil and wax and that type of thing is a little sticky and stuff, but so it'll come out and it'll be sure to condition. We're going to have some more products rolled out here in the future. Look for us. We got it right now, our jars for sale on eBay. Look up WTSA29673 and that's our user ID. So thanks a lot. Absolutely Beachy. Thanks for watching. Todd Frederick. So